really great.
Oh my. Good.
Okay.
Great.
Oh,
The
but
greatest.
It's not really gonna go anywhere.
How is it attached to the wall?
Well, I kind of just wanna.
That's a support beam to your house.
It might be.
Yeah.
I think Bob is really gonna disapprove of the way I'm gonna attack this.
Oh,
Well, good thing we're not recording it.
What's up?
that screw just went in the wall. I don't know how to get it out. Hi.
Be fine.
Hey,
Where's my?
welcome to the crew.
I know, this is pretty
where's my
exciting.
thing? John. Oh, wait. Huh?
Oh,
Huh? Right? Right?
now this I gotta see. Don't you have a sledgehammer?
Yeah, it's in the garage or something.
All right,
You think that's gonna go somewhere?
maybe. It might.
You got it. Oh, you got it. Okay. All right.
I got it.
Safety first, kids.
Built into.
Do not try this at home. Yep, you got it. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's gonna come right off.
Yeah, that's done.
Yeah. It's just that easy.
It's that simple.
Steel or something, I don't know. That's what you do.